Hi guys, this is Neil with Efficient Automation Services here out in Houston, Texas. I'm here to talk to you about some of the questions you should be getting ready or should be asking your contractor when you're going in for looking for a retrofit, new construction, upgrading from a different platform to another platform, going from pneumatic to DDC, all those questions. These are just a couple. I'm going to post several videos hopefully throughout the week as I come up with the different topics that you should be kind of hitting your bullet points on. But like I was saying, so the first one is it open or is it proprietary? Meaning, is it a Johnson Medisys? Is it a I'm sorry, I'm just throwing all these things out here. We have Automated Logic, we have Honeywell, we have Honeywell Webs, we have Johnson FX, Distech, all those are all great brands. And I will tell you that the brand should not really necessarily matter. It should be more to the fact of, is it open, is it proprietary? So that way you kind of get an understanding of what you're getting when you get the product. So I'm just trying to let you guys know that's what you want to ask. The next one is how many contractors can service your product? Because at the end of the day, if you're stuck with one or two contractors, in a lot of cases, there's only one vendor that you can work that can work on your system. I'm not necessarily saying that the customer service is always going to be bad, but the thing is they're going to hook you and they're going to tell you, oh, well, you need a contract or you need all these different things in order to quote unquote get ahead of the line. And trust me, I've seen it. I mean, I've been in the business. I've been doing air conditioning since I was 16 years old. I've seen everything from every side of the world. I'm not sitting there saying I know everything. I'm just telling you from my experiences. The next one, the ability to upgrade, migrate, things like that. Is it a system that's constantly going to need to be upgraded? That's another question you need to ask. I'll give you, for instance, I had a customer the other day that called me up and said, hey, the controls contractor said that it's going to cost $12,000 to upgrade or my system's going to shut down. And it had nothing to do with Windows 10 or anything like that. It was just them saying that the software had to be upgraded. Well, because of the fact that it was proprietary, they were going to have to do it. Instead, what we did is we gave them the option to go in there and put in a FX80 Jace, leave all their existing controllers, and we took the system over with no problem. So, those are different things you need to ask. There's systems out there like Teletrol that a lot of times that their software needs to constantly be updated. And I'm not saying that the other stuff doesn't always need to be updated, but what you need to know is if you need an upgrade, what's the cost? Is it going to be something crazy? Is it going to be $10,000 or is it going to be $1,000? Those are the things that you need to be asking to start looking forward to. Next one is communication protocol. So the question is it BACnet? Is it ArcNet? Is it LAN? Is it Modbus? You need to know these different things, and I know you don't need to get super technical on it, but the question is what's the ability later on for someone to come in, step in, and take over your system unless you're not satisfied with the customer service that you're getting or the the quality of your product. I will tell you this, that it all comes down really to commissioning. A lot of the products out there were basically all on I would say a level playing field when it comes to being able to control a system. Obviously, PLCs are used more like in the manufacturing industrial world, which we've done some of that too. We've done some bakeries and things like that. So the process controls can be done without using a PLC. But I would recommend the PLCs when it comes to something that needs a really tight control. But really, those are the questions I would be asking. Like I said, these are the ones that just to get started with. I will be doing some more videos as we go along. Also, another thing you guys should be putting in your head is looking for a third-party commissioning agent, because what you want is somebody else to come in and verify the work that was done. And it's a third party that has nothing to do with the existing contractor that is doing the work at the moment. I'm telling you, it's worth the money. It's a couple extra $1,000. Always do it. Also, another quick one is with the Tridium products out there nowadays. There's what's called the software maintenance. The software maintenance is something that comes from Tridium itself. So I just want to let you guys know that that's not something that a contractor is trying to get some money in on you. But I would recommend when you do go with a Jace and you are upgrading to a Jace 8000, go with the 5-year software maintenance. It's cheaper up front. It costs you a lot more to do the upgrade later, especially when it comes to devices. So let's say, for instance, you're looking to just do the base building, where let's say maybe it's 20 to 50 devices, but you know later on you plan on doing more. I will tell you that it costs about the same amount to go ahead and just put a brand new 200 device Jace than it would be to upgrade that Jace to a 200 device. Now, if you're looking to just do, let's say you're going to do several Jaces where maybe you have 10 floors. We got a building right now that we're looking at where we're going to put in 2 Jaces because it's going to be a total of, I think it's 380 devices. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have the central plant and the and a few other things on its own little Jace. So that way we can keep everything kind of separate and not have everything overloaded. I do recommend workstation and not doing a whole bunch of Jaces, going to one Jace with graphics on it. Slows down the processes and things like that. Please, if you have any questions or any topics or anything you want me to discuss, I will discuss them. It doesn't matter to me. I will do the research. I'll get you the answers that you're looking for. Also, when it comes to a technical question, if you got a technical question, please ask. I can reach out to anybody. So please ask the questions, like, comment, and go ahead and follow, man. I'm here for everybody. I'm not here for anything for, trying to push or whatever. I'm here to just give you guys straight, simple answers and move forward with, spreading the word on letting everybody know what to look for, what there's going on in their product. I'm also going to do a lot of technical things. So here in the future, you're going to see more and more videos. I'm just doing this one to kind of, I'm starting to get the ball rolling on some things topics and discussions. I'm just trying to get people to start talking and start getting, just get the ball rolling and have an open discussion, because the Tridium products, open products, there's several other lines out there. I'm not just saying just Tridium, but people need to do the research and figure out exactly what it is they want and what they're looking forward for in the future. But hey, like I said, like and follow, comment, and I'll take care of you guys. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.